G'day everyone, this is a 1969 XW GT Falcon. It is not my car, but I am taking care of it for the time being, and I'm going to show you what it's like to drive today, and also show you a few of the differences between this car and my car, the green XW Fairmont that I've got at home. So let's crack in. Okay, straight away, this feels a lot tighter than my car. There's less rattles, there's less bumps, there's less crashing and banging when you go over bumps. It does feel a little bit more floaty. The front end does feel a little bit more sharper on initial turn-in. These GTs have got a quicker steering box than your standard Falcons and Fairmonts. But it doesn't feel as direct, and I think that might be something to do with the tyres. This is running, I think, just Bob James Supercats or something like that. Whereas I've got RE003s on mine, and they're a 17 versus a 14. So that's going to make some difference. I don't know about the manual in an older car. Like, everything they say about the top loaders is true. They are a crap gearbox in terms of the shift. Like, it is very agricultural. I haven't, touched wood, fallen out of gear today, but it does seem to happen a bit in this car. But it is nice going through the gears. You see the nice views. Definitely want to get the seats redone in my car compared to this. These seats are really, really nice and supportive. It helps contribute to the ride quality of this compared to mine. It pulls up about the same as well. I think this has got a lot more brake pedal feel than my car. I think mine's got aftermarket, but XF calipers. This has got a 351 Windsor V8. It's standard GT spec. It's got a Holy carb on it. You saw in the previous video we fixed the accelerator linkage, so we've got full travel now of the throttle butterflies. It doesn't like it. I don't think this car likes just cruising around. It feels a lot more comfortable when you're up it. Even though it feels a lot more sedate than mine, I think mine's got a lot more download torque, and it's an auto with shorter gears in it, so you're going to get that, but it just feels more at home when you're up in the RPM range a bit. Fun. Yes, it does get a little bit floaty at about 60 miles an hour. But this is probably the 5th or 6th time this car's been driven in the last like 4 years, so there's a bit of settling to do. Oh, come on, magpies. Get out of it. Something else I've noticed with this thing is the exhaust note's the complete opposite to my car. So just cruising, say at about 2 grand, 60 k's an hour, 40 miles an hour, it's very boomy inside the car. But when you put your foot down, you can't really hear anything inside the car. It's only running the standard GT headers, and I think it's a 2 1/4 inch system with a balance pipe in it. But mine's the opposite. Mine's quiet when cruising, unless it's under load, but when you put your boot in, geez, only the world knows about it. That is a special view. I do miss having a radio. This radio, I think it's carked it. I do miss being able to chuck my tunes on. But I've got plenty to do in here. This gearbox has kept me occupied to just enough. Yes. Anyone that owns like a GM TR56, or was it T56 or a TR6060 that says it's a notchy gearbox, drive one of these. You'll bloody love it. You'll love going back to your car. Guaranteed. Find a gear, any gear, first. Righto, I think we're done for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe below. Give us a like if you like the video. And if you want to see more of this car or want to see anything particular, leave us a comment and I'll try and make a video covering that off for you. Anyway, it's getting windy. I'll see you later.